future. The activities in school have developed us physically, mentally, socially. Dear parents, dear ma'am, thank you for your love and support. We love you. Respected principal ma'am, teachers, staff, and all students, thank you for your love, care, and full support in our young youth. Thank you for teaching us manners, our studies. Thanks to let us participate in extra activities.
Forgot two lines.
Thanks
Forgot two lines.
helping us to be good citizens of our nation.
Now we are ready,
One country and one Indian, one and Indian and Jai We salute our parents for choosing our school and giving us the best. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the parents? Good afternoon to all of present here. Thank you everybody.